we just wanted to live. They told us to counting up something seems the only way you can live. Yeah. Swear to God, we just wanted to live. They told us to counting up something seems the only way you can live. In love with a mattress that was somewhat out of place, where due to old habits it could double as a chase. Talking major key, let it cut you out of case, or try and run the city till it run you out of state. Told us all of this is straight, and it's worth what you wait on. Staring at the exit like, yo, I ain't trying to stay long. Kitchen table decorator, situate a plate on. Jesus heavy is the head the crown lay on. But all of this is straight, running out of state is what you play for, and stay for to turn to what you leave for. Get your 16 on, like talking mic check, throw the beat on, or talking about a key but being 20 OZ short. 16 ain't enough, Andre features. As quick as you could be on, you'll be gone, waiting on a detour. Couple U-turns to where you belong. At best you could get your sight see on. Just need a couple dollars, baby. Bet you I could plug them till her wallet dropping babies. Just need a couple dollars, baby. Told if I could get them, all of them would save me. Saved in the drop top BM, right side DM. All praise due up, tell him when I see him. Started with a couple dollars, baby. Was told if I could get them, all of them would save me. So for a couple dollars, and it sounds beautiful like the truth. Like she bad, but even more beautiful in the coupe. And seeing that was seeing all that I would need to pursue. The E-class that was used to corner me off the stoop was as clean as the book that you hand on when you prayed that we stayed away from them anthems.